How to use the VidIQ keyword research tool. Let's go. So first log in, go to the keywords tab at the top. And here we can put in keywords, or we can look at rising keywords for this month, this week, and today. But when I start researching for keywords, I like to start off with a broad keyword. So for example, let's say banana, and let's search for it, see what overall. So the overall score is based on the search volume. So the higher search volume, the higher the overall score, and competition. So the higher the competition, the lower the overall score. So it's a mix between the two. And besides that, it's going to give us related keywords, matching terms, and questions. Now, for related keywords about bananas, let's see and look at all of those with the highest overall score. So for some reason here, it gives reggae songs and gardening. So most likely starting off with just the broad term banana is a little bit too broad. But let's check the matching terms as well, what it shows here. So here it gives a lot of those high overall score keywords, but they seem at least to be really niche keywords. So for example, banana duck and menacing banana. But no, if we want to go into more detail, we can add another keyword to banana. So for example, let's go with health. If we click on health, now it shows the search volume 1,200, competition 55. But if we look at the matching terms or related keywords first, and look over the overalls, then not that good of keywords either. But if we look at matching terms, then we can see a lot of those keywords that have the overall score green, so that's over 60 or over 50. And here we can start looking if there's anything interesting. So banana leaf health benefits, banana beauty tips, health benefits of banana flower, health benefits of banana flower, surprising health benefits of bananas. So it's a banana leaf and banana flower. So those are the different keywords that we could target because they have a very low competition and still they have over 2,000, over 1,500 searches. So what we can do is just click on this banana leaf health benefits, banana beauty tips, social post health, banana health benefits of banana flower, health benefits of banana flower in Tamil, and surprising health benefits of banana. And this is how you use the keyword research tool. So you start off broad, and then you go more in depth, adding more keywords that you want to use. And with the related keywords and matching terms, it's actually quite easy to find really profitable keywords. Like in this video, it's probably just a couple of minutes long, but we already found at least 4 pretty potential keywords that we could use if we want to do a video about the health benefits of bananas or the health benefits of banana flowers. But it can be used for any other keyword just like that as well. So let me know if you like this video, if you'd like to see more of this type of video, and thanks for watching. Bye.